headlights work. The tail lights work. The left front turn signal works. The left rear turn signal works. The right front turn signal works. The right rear turn signal works. The instrument cluster lights work. The interior light works. Let me find the windshield wipers. I don't know where they are. Anyway, the horn works. I'll figure out the windshield wipers, LOL.